Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll talk about Snapchat ads, understanding the Snapchat ads platform and where these ads appear, what are the different types of ads, formats you can build on this platform. So Snapchat ads is an advertising product platform created by Snapchat primarily to target a lot of young audiences, which is millennials and you can say Gen Z audiences. So they're able to provide a full screen ad experience, and it's a highly engaged, youthful audience which we are catering to. If you look at it, Snapchat attracts around 850 million plus active users across 70 plus countries, and it specializes in video and augmented reality ads, offering brands a dynamic way to drive awareness, engagement, and conversions. Now, if you look at it, the strength of the platform lies in the ability to reach 90% of 13 to 24-year-olds in key markets like US, UK, India, and in the Middle East. And the ads are achieving 2x higher visual attention than any other search platforms. So there are different ads formats which you can create on this platform right now. For example, single image or video ads, collection ads, which basically shoppable ads, which you can create here, story ads, which contains 1 to 20 images or videos, commercial ads, which are non-skippable 6-second video ads. Also, there are AR lenses, filters, which you can use here to make your ads quality much more enhancing and generates higher user engagement. There are different placements where your Snapchat ads can appear. So they can appear on stories where a single image or a video collection ad or a collection ad can appear. Discovery section as well, spotlight as well, curated content. So commercials in Snap Originals can show up as well. Camera. So in camera, AR lenses and filters appear during Snap creation. Now, the reach of this particular platform is, you can say, 432 million daily users are there on the platform with high visibility in the US majorly, and then India, Europe, especially among the Gen Z. So that's how the Snapchat platform is going to be. So what we're going to see going forward is how you can use this ads platform to build out effective campaigns to reach out to your target audience so that you can generate better sales leads from this platform as well. Thank you so much, guys, for listening to this, and I will see you in the next video.